Hey guys, this is Miss Garcia from Bush Elementary, and I'm going to read Big Cat, Little Cat by Eilish Cooper. My second graders have already heard me read this, but they know it's one of my favorite books. There was a cat who lived alone until one day a new cat came. The cat showed the new cat what to do, what to eat, when to drink, where to go, how to be, and when to rest. Big cat, little cat. Days went by and months too, and the little cat grew and grew and grew. Big cat, bigger cat. Those cats lived in the city, and every day there was work. Cooking, cleaning, climbing, exploring, hunting, and making plans. For 5 minutes each day, they went wild. Afterwards, they dreamed. Their days were full. Years went by, and more years too. And every day the cats were together until the older cat got older and one day had to go. But he didn't come back. And it was hard for everyone. Until the day a new cat came. The cat showed the new cat what to do, what to eat, when to drink, where to go, how to be, when to rest. Big cat, little cat. And that was the end of the story. I hope you guys are doing okay. Miss Garcia misses all the Bush students, and have a good rest of spring break.